Hi guys, today is the day 5 of the 10k in 10 days challenge, and let me update you on my eBay sales first. So I made about $150 today so far. So this is $150, and the next one I have another revenue that came in. I mentioned before yesterday that I wanted to boost my online sales. So eBay is all physical sales, and right now I have another business which is providing service. So I mentioned yesterday that I wanted to pitch to some of my friends. So this group of friends, they are property agents. Previously they have been asking me to provide them with a video service. So because as property agents, they need a lot of video editing services, and they have seen my portfolio before. I have done some video editing service for a company before, and they saw it and they kind of asked me before. So I didn't think of providing this service previously because I keep on thinking that I have to sell physical products, but actually not, because I like to sell things online. So you do not need to just sell physical products. So that is how today I went to see my friend, my property agent friend, and he has a team of property agents, and each and every one of them needed this service. So yesterday I came up with a service for them, with a package for them. Okay, so they need this on a regular basis. So what I did was I created this company. Okay, this is my video design company. So it's called the Creative Guys. Okay, this is my Facebook page. And yesterday I mentioned that I created some gigs on Carousel as well. So this is my service of professional video editing. So I will edit wedding videos, real estate, and other promotion commercial videos. Okay, so these are all full HD. This is the service that I'm going to provide. Individual kind of individual videos will cost $97, but the one that I'm going to pitch to them, because since it is a large quantity of videos, so I put together a plan for them. So I promote them with a 12 months premium package. So I charge them $3,997. So in 12 months they can find me to edit their videos, but I will need to cap it at 15 videos. Okay, if they want more, they can pay more, and I will provide them with one video ad promotion as well. So after some presentation to my group of property agent friends, I managed to collect and secure the deal. This is the transfer they made to me, and this is the amount of $3,997. So yes, I have increased my revenue today, and it increased tremendously. Okay, I have lost count of how much is the total. Yeah, I will summarize the whole total because my eBay have many days of sales, and yeah, I will compile everything and calculate the whole amount and finalize tomorrow, which is day 6. I'm going to continue to pitch this service. I do have another property agent friends and also other social media friends that need video editing as well as other design services that I can provide them. So these 5 days is very exciting for me because I hope to get more of these friends to engage my service. Okay, so yeah, I will update you again tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow, the day 6. Bye.